be what they are today. And that man is none other than our Wing Commander, Lieutenant Colonel Moy Rangshaw. Here is a man who showed true care and true concern about our training and our learning, our development as officers, and our growth as members of society. One attack mission to be repeated up to as many as 5 times. The judge is under command of Samula. We may have been a gentle band, but on hindsight, it is from him that we have built our mental tenacity, and it is from him that we have learned the importance of performing our very best at all times, and never to accept substandard performances from ourselves, something that all of us will be expecting from our men in the future. Away from training and back to camp, Lieutenant Colonel Moy was a father figure, and many of us endearingly used to call him Uncle Moy. Truly concerned about welfare and recovery, he was catered for recovery training and water.
That was harsh, man.
When he himself would join us. But some things never changed, and Lieutenant Colonel Moy brought back the secret of Samula even back to Wingline, once giving us 3 days of war missions on JP consecutively. On behalf of everyone from Bravo Intel, I express my sincere gratitude to you for everything you've done for us, for being a commander, and so much more. Thank you, sir. It is extremely reassuring to know that there are such passionate individuals such as yourself in the SAS, who serve our nation with pride and who are so ardently dedicated to the training of our future generation of leaders. All the accolades won by Bravo today are a tribute to your leadership as much as they are a tribute to how far you have come as a wing. We wish you all the best in future endeavors, and I'm sure that you will be an asset to any organization that you might be part of. Once again, sir, thank you very much.